Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to my channel in Believers Records, the show where we drop a hit every 4 times of the week. So guys, that was a free FLP that I'm giving out for free. So I can't really open the project because there's too many plugs in there. Plus, I won't be able to load up the MIDIs. So that's a beat. So once you actually download the drum kit, you'll be in the position to to get the free FLP that's in there. There's some sauce in there as well. It shows you what a certain man did to actually make that beat sound like that. It's crazy, isn't it? So once you actually download the kit, you've been in a position to download the free FLP that's coming with this free Afro Reggaeton Drumkit 2021 that I'm about to show you in a minute. So everything that you just heard in that beat is consistent in the drum kit. So from the MIDIs to the drums. So the only thing that's not there is a guitar. I just added a little bit of guitar, just add a little bit of flavor. Just give a little bit of flavor as always, and maybe the flute. Yeah, maybe the flute. So, but everything else is in the drum kit. So yeah, so make sure that you actually get it. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight to the MIDIs. Before we actually go any further, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight to the MIDIs. So there's like 5 MIDIs in here, 5 crazy MIDIs to get you started in that beat making process. So in case you're actually getting stuck a little bit, you can go ahead, just gives you a little bit of start, a little bit of booster, and you can go as far as tweaking the MIDIs to your own liking, or should I say desire. So yeah, that's it, man. So I believe the first MIDI is already loaded up. All I gotta do is just press play. So let's go ahead and do that. Second MIDI. Third MIDI. Fourth MIDI. So the last MIDI. So that's it for the MIDIs, man. So let's go ahead and move on to the claps and the rest of the drums, the rest of the stuff. So as for the kicks, some of these kicks are, they're punchy because, it's also a reggaeton drum kit. So our reggaeton beats usually have some, some punchy kicks in there. So. So percussion. Rims. Shakers. Snares. Toms. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the whole thing. So yeah, so link in the description down below should be pretty much, straightforward. But if you get any problems downloading this, just hit me up on my number, and yeah, we'll talk. So yeah, so that's it. So I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up on my number and we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. Enjoy the drum kit. Make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Stay safe. Namaste.